Hi, I'm Erik Riedel, Senior Vice President of Engineering at ITRenew. I'm responsible for the Sesame product line. What we've done with Sesame is we've created a line of optimized rack-scale data center solutions. We have a solution for open systems, container virtualized workloads. We have a solution for converged infrastructure, HCI, CI applications, as well as a solution for AI and machine learning applications. What we've done in each of those cases is optimize the solution of servers, storage, and networking in a rack-scale footprint. But what I want to talk to you about today is the Sesame Fast-Start appliance. What we've done with this appliance is we've made Hyperscale technology accessible for everyday use. We have a desk-side unit, slides under your desk or next to a lab bench, plugs into a standard power supply, 110, 220, so you can run it in your office, run it under your desk, run it in a lab setting, but you don't have to have a full data center infrastructure rolling in racks, putting it on trucks, etc. Very accessible technology, but still very powerful. So let's take a look inside. What we've done is we have 4 Hyperscale nodes, computing nodes, that are 2-socket with up to 8 terabytes of flash per node. Let's take a closer look. Each of the 4 nodes in the system is configured as a dual socket, Xeon class CPUs, 256 gig of memory, and 4 2 terabyte NVMe flash devices. So that's 8 terabytes of flash storage, 250 gigabytes of memory, and dual 24-core CPUs. That means that the entire system is 96 cores, a terabyte of memory, 32 terabytes of NVMe. More than powerful enough for application workloads in a wide variety of use cases. What our customers do with this solution is they try out their application scenario, you do benchmarking against traditional systems, so they're accessing Hyperscale technology in a very easy to use, very accessible form factor. The nodes that we put inside of the Fast-Start unit are the exact same nodes that we also sell in our rack-scale solutions. So any application benchmark that runs on these nodes will also run in a rack. So you run it with 4 nodes in this configuration, and you can run it with 40 nodes or 400 nodes in our racks level solutions. One additional detail, we have an integrated 10 gig switch. So each of the nodes is connected with 10 gigabit networking. The 4 nodes have full high bandwidth connectivity, as you might do in a rack solution. And we have a simple Cat5 uplink to your desk network. So high bandwidth among the nodes within the cluster, and easy connectivity to the rest of your infrastructure. Again, best for workloads of validation, software testing, test the manageability software, load up your operating system, load up your application stack, and validate that the solution is effective to meet your workload requirements.